Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can have a shiny skin on Dress to Impress. So first I'm going to layer on a few outfits just to cover everything up. I will need these matte, and then maybe you can toggle it to oversized. I don't know, it's up to you. And I'm just going to use these shorts whoa. Okay, so I'm just going to use this to cover up everything, but for the base, you'll need to use these stockings. Color it the same as your skin color, and then you're going to use silk for that shade. And you can use metallic, but if it's too shiny, use silk. Then for the neck and like arms, select this long here. I use this one. And then you're going to select it, turtleneck on, and you're going to color it again your skin tone, and then select silk. Obviously you can't do this to the face, but that's pretty much it really. Here, I'll put on some shoes. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.